Hello, everyone. This story is for English beginners. Very easy, very simple English. But you will see, easy English can tell great stories. Easy English is good English. And before we begin, I want to say thank you. Thank you to my new members, YY.7985, Natsucha V2H. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your support.
Imagine a dark night. It is raining. A woman, Sarah, is waiting for a taxi. She is cold. She is tired. Suddenly, a black car stops. The window goes down. The driver does not speak. He just looks at her. Sarah gets in, and the car starts. Inside the car, it is very quiet, too quiet. Sarah looks at the driver. He wears a mask. He wears a black hat. Wait, why is he turning left? Her house is right. Excuse me, where are we going? No answer. Sarah touches the door handle. Click, locked. Sarah is scared. Her heart beats fast. Suddenly, the driver moves his hand. He reaches into his pocket. What is it? A knife? A gun? He pulls out something black. Sarah screams, "No!" She has pepper spray in her bag. She sprays it. The car stops. "Ah, my eyes!" the driver shouts. The driver drops the weapon. Look closely. Is it a gun? No, it is a phone. The map is on the screen. He was just checking the map. Sarah checks her phone, too. Text message from Uber. "I am waiting outside. Where are you?" Oh, no. Sarah was in the wrong car. I am so sorry. Sarah unlocks the door and runs away. The angry driver drives away very fast. But wait, listen carefully. Did you hear that? Thump, thump. The sound comes from the trunk. The trunk opens a little bit and a hand comes out. A tied hand. He was a kidnapper. Sarah was lucky, very lucky. Sarah is standing in the rain again. A yellow taxi comes. This is the real taxi. The taxi driver looks at the black car. He sees the hand in the trunk. He smiles. He puts a red light on his car. He says to Sarah, "Get in. Let's catch him." He is not a taxi driver. He's a cop. The chase begins. The black car is fast, very fast. It turns left. It turns right. Sarah holds on tight. Her heart is racing again. The cop shouts, "Hold on, I'm going faster." Suddenly, the black car stops. It's a dead end, a wall, no way out. The kidnapper opens the door slowly. He runs toward the woods. The cop jumps out. "Stop! Police!" But Sarah sees something. The trunk is still closed. Someone is inside. Thump, thump. Sarah runs to the car. Her hands are shaking. She finds a tool, a crowbar. She breaks the lock. The trunk opens. Inside, a young man. He is tied. He is crying. Sarah unties him. "You're safe now," she says. He looks at her. "Thank you, thank you." Meanwhile, the cop catches the kidnapper in the woods. Click, click. Handcuffs on. The kidnapper is caught. Game over. More police cars arrive. The rain stops. The sky clears. Sarah sits on the police car. She is safe. The man is safe. The cop walks over. He smiles. "You were very brave," he says. Sarah laughs, a nervous laugh. "I thought you were dangerous at first." The cop laughs too. "Well, tonight was crazy for everyone." He opens his car door. "Come on, I'll take you home." Sarah gets in. Finally, she can rest. The car drives quietly through the dark streets. Sarah looks out the window. Trees, shadows, silence. Wait. This street? She doesn't know this street. "Excuse me," Sarah asks. "Where are we going?" The cop doesn't answer. He just smiles, a slow smile. Sarah's heart stops. She looks at the back seat. There's a rope, a bag, duct tape. She looks at the cop's uniform. The badge, it's fake, plastic. Oh no, oh no, no, no. He is not a cop. Sarah reaches for the door. Click, locked again. The man speaks. His voice is cold, very cold. "You know too much now, Sarah." Sarah's hands shake. She can't breathe. Think, Sarah, think. She still has her phone. She texts 911. "Help, fake cop, license plate 7XJ492. Send. Suddenly, the car stops, hard. Roadblock, real police cars. They got the text. The fake cop tries to run. He opens his door. Zzz, zzz. Taser. He falls hard. A real cop opens Sarah's door. "Ma'am, you're safe now. We got your message." Sarah steps out. Her legs are shaking. Her whole body is shaking. She looks at the fake cop on the ground. He was the partner, the black taxi driver's partner. They worked together, a team of kidnappers. The real police officer explains, "That victim you saved, he was also part of the gang." Sarah's eyes go wide. It was a trap. He was pretending to be kidnapped. The plan was, you rescue him, trust the cop, get in his car, and disappear. Sarah feels cold, ice cold. She was almost victim number 4. But Sarah is smart. She is brave. She sent that text. She saved herself. The 3 kidnappers are arrested. All of them. Sarah goes home. Finally. For real this time. She takes a hot shower. She locks all the doors. She looks at her phone. 12 missed calls from Uber. "Where are you?" Sarah laughs, this time a real laugh. She types, "Sorry, long night, very long night." 3 months later, Sarah stands in a ceremony. The mayor gives her a medal for bravery, for courage, for saving lives. Sarah smiles, a real smile. But wait, do you remember? The very beginning, a dark night, rain, a woman waiting for a taxi. Let me tell you what really happened. 6 months before that rainy night, Sarah sits in a small office, a dark office. Across from her, 3 men, the black taxi driver, the fake cop, the fake victim. "Gentlemen, here's the plan." "Wait, what?" "I will get in your taxi. I will spray you with pepper spray. Then you will pick me up, pretend to be police. We get caught, we get arrested, then we escape. We come to my house, police arrive, we get caught again. And then? Then I become a hero. I get a medal, fame, book deals, movie rights. And you three? You get paid. A lot. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You mean it was all fake? Sarah planned everything? That's right. Sarah is not a victim. Sarah is a con artist. The police think they caught a gang. The media thinks Sarah is brave. But Sarah, she's laughing all the way to the bank. After the ceremony, Sarah goes home. She opens her laptop. She checks her bank account. Sarah leans back in her chair. She smiles. $7.5 million. Not bad for one rainy night. Someone knocks on the door. Sarah opens it. It's the three actors. Hey, boss, we got out on bail. What's next? Next, we do it again. Different city, different story. Maybe this time I get kidnapped by a pilot. And that, my friends, is why Sarah smiles. A real smile. Because she's not a hero. She's a genius con artist. So, Sarah fooled the kidnappers. She fooled the police. She fooled the mayor. She fooled the whole city. And she got $7.5 million. 1 year later, she's planning her next con. Hello, yes, I'd like to book a flight, first class. To where? Paris. I think it's time for an international incident. And that is the real story of Sarah. Not a victim, not a hero, a player, a winner, a legend. Oh, by the way, if you are planning a con like this, don't. The police are listening. Based on a true story. Just kidding. Or am I? Good night and stay smart.